Hi, I'm Eric from Stinger with another tech tip. If the Jeep that you're upgrading with a HEIGH10 has a factory Alpine audio system, this tech tip will take you through the steps of setting your equalizer settings for the best performance from your HEIGH10 through that factory Alpine system.
This sheet, titled Factory Amplified System Settings, walks us through the process of setting our audio settings for the best performance out of your factory amplified sound system. To start, enter the Settings menu. Then select System Settings, then Installer Settings. Then enter 0052 and OK. Now we select Advanced Vehicle Settings, then Vehicle Audio Settings. Now we're going to turn the factory amplifier setting off, which allows us to make adjustments. Now we need to navigate back until we see the Sound Settings icon. Select Sound Settings, then at the top select Crossover. Now we can set the front crossover to -2, and we'll set the rear crossover to -2 as well. Then we'll set the equalizer setting. We'll want to set the EQ settings to the values shown on this sheet. Set 25 Hz to +5, 40 Hz to +3, 63 Hz to +2, 100 Hz to 0, 160 Hz to +2, 250 Hz to 0, 400 Hz to 0, 630 Hz to +1, 1K to +3, 1.6K to 0, 2.5K to 0, 4K to 0, 6.3K to +2, 10K to +4, and 16K to +5. Now that our EQ curve matches what's listed, press and hold preset 1 to lock that setting in. Now with our EQ set and crossovers set, we can navigate back to the system settings, then installer settings, then enter 0052 and hit OK again. Then advanced vehicle settings, vehicle audio settings. Now turn the factory amplifier setting back on, which locks our settings into position. That's all it takes to configure your HEIGH10's equalizer settings for the best performance out of your Jeep's factory amplified sound system. We hope you found this tech tip helpful. Be sure to like the video and leave us a comment and tell us what other tech tips you'd like to see.